The polymer market forecast for the third week of August 2026 shows a clear trend. Demand is picking up across PP, PE, and PVC, and Indian producers are preparing to raise prices. This intelligence comes from Polymer Bazaar, tracking the immediate shifts in the supply chain. In the coming days, we expect a price hike of 1 to 3 rupees per kilogram for PP Random, Impact Copolymer, and LLDPE. When procurement managers see a hike on the horizon, the instinct is often to buy everything available to lock in current rates. But the open bazaar is already reacting, charging steep premiums on top of those anticipated company hikes right now. Applying a uniform purchasing strategy across all grades this month will likely burn through your operating cash or leave your production lines at a standstill. You have two primary options. You can prioritize capital liquidity, keeping your cash in the bank and relying on just-in-time inventory deliveries, or you can prioritize operational security, tying up capital in a stockpile to guarantee you have the raw materials to keep running. To decide which path to take, you need to map your raw materials based on their physical availability against the severity of the expected price hike. Most PP Homo grades are still readily available, even with the price bump looming. Specialized grades like PP Random and HM Film are different. They've been in short supply for months, making the incoming hikes much harder to navigate. Import-dependent resins like PVC shift daily based on overseas offers and buying momentum. Success in August hinges on pinning down exactly which quadrant your specific factory relies on. We can build a clear decision framework based on your facility's primary resin intake. If you run on standard goods requiring baseline PP Homo, you're looking at a 1 to 2 rupee hike, but the material is generally available. Some specific variants, like lamination and film grades, are tracking much tighter and don't follow this rule. For the majority of PP Homo, the best move is to pause. Stick to your standard just-in-time allocations instead of bulk buying. You will take a minor hit on your margins when the 1 to 2 rupee hike lands. Preserving your capital and warehouse space provides more long-term value than tying up funds to dodge a predictable minor price increase. Consider the alternative, your production line coming to a dead stop because a specialized raw material is simply unavailable. This is a genuine threat for grades experiencing acute shortages, like PP Random, Impact Copolymer, and HM Film. Our decision tree shows these materials under severe restriction, meaning standard procurement rules no longer apply. Buyers here face the producer hike plus whatever premium the open bazaar is currently demanding. LL injection molding, LD lamination, and milk pouch variants are seeing similarly restricted availability and high premiums. If you rely on these, front-load your Q3 inventory now. Pay the spot premiums today to ensure you have the material on hand. For these specialty lines, operational security is the priority. The cost of an idle line far exceeds the premium you'll pay today. Traditional procurement is often too slow for a market where prices and premiums change by the hour. You need real-time data to see the exact moment premiums peak or overseas offers soften. Algorithmic tools can close this gap. Polymer Bazaar offers AI predictions via WhatsApp in under 5 seconds, giving you an early mover advantage. Rapid notifications allow you to capitalize on PVC offers as they happen, before the broader bazaar has a chance to react. Moving to AI-driven forecasting turns a procurement team from reactive negotiators into agile spot buyers. The polymer market in August 2026 is split, meaning your strategy must be split as well. Let's look at the action plan for the two dominant buyer profiles. JIT buyers for PP Homo should hold cash. Aggressive buyers for PP Random and HM Film must secure supply. If you use standard grades, don't panic buy and trap your working capital in your warehouse. If you use specialty grades, secure your inventory immediately. Use rapid response channels like the Polymer Bazaar WhatsApp line to track the best entry points. Survival this month depends on knowing when to keep your cash and when to spend it to keep your factory running.